Hi, this is Seth with Circuit Board Medics. If you have a 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 and you're having issues with your instrument cluster, you're not alone. These instrument clusters are known to eventually fail, and it's only a matter of time before problems appear. So today, we're going to talk about the common symptoms of a failed gauge cluster and show you how to get your issues resolved quickly. These clusters are found in all 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150s. The most common symptoms of a failed cluster include the brake light being stuck on, the LCD odometer screen is dim, flickering, or dead, the individual gauges are malfunctioning, the entire cluster has intermittent power, or the seatbelt light and chime is intermittent. In addition, you may have issues with your power windows, radio, and dome light. There are replacement options available, but they are often lower quality with longer shipping times and poor customer service. Because of this, we offer an affordable service to repair the cluster, completely restoring and upgrading it to function better than new with a fast 1 business day turnaround time. We rebuild the cluster with all new backlighting and several upgrades to prevent more issues down the road. We also preserve your original programming and mileage, and even offer an optional LED backlighting upgrade to improve visibility. Our process is very simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your cluster to us. Once we receive it, we'll fully rebuild and test the cluster in 1 business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your cluster, it will be ready to install. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your vehicle's functionality and get back on the road quickly, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.